Predictions. Indiana. We're going to talk about our predictions. And I'll tell you what, I made a prediction last week. Me and you make them a lot of times off the air. And I said we were going to throw 3 touchdown passes.
Yep,
and we
you
threw
did.
4.
Yep, you were right on the money with
And
that.
I'm going to tell you right now, we're going to throw 3 this week.
I think we're going to be going to the air, yes.
Yeah. They're going to be stacking the box. They're going to dare us to throw with Bolden and McGloin. But I'll tell you what, they are going to dare us more to throw the ball with Bolden. When McGloin comes into the game, they're going to back off.
And they're going to expect it.
Right. And which is what I hope is that they let Bolden throw the ball. Use some play action. Let him roll out of the pocket, hit those short passes. It'll cripple them. And I'm predicting 27-10.
Yeah, you know, with Indiana, it's been the same old broken record. They'll give you a game for a quarter. They usually have some kind of playmaker on offense. I think they have a good receiver this year. Last year they had 2. One moved on, and he was very good.
Right.
They throw. So this is going to be a little different than what we've seen all year.
Right.
We've only seen run-happy offenses. We're going to see no-run offense. We're going to see so our secondary will be tested for the first time. Without DeAnton Lynn, I'm sure they're going to go to that spot.
Right.
And we'll hold up. It's Indiana.
Well, yeah, and I just hope that Mr. Crawford and the boys put some pressure on. And
I'm sure our defense will show up. They've been showing up. And what we can bet on is it's Indiana. Their defense never shows up.
And just remember, for all your Penn State predictions and information, check us out at Man Cave Strategies. We'll see you next week.